Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to put videos in reverse on YouTube. So if you want to do it directly from the YouTube, unfortunately you won't be able to do it. Although there is another option to get around it. You could just go ahead right here to your YouTube. And let's say for example I want to download this video, right? I'm going to click download the video, or click share and then copy the link and then go to your official website of YouTube downloader and then basically paste the link that you just copied and then download it. Make sure that you download it with the highest resolution. Let me click on it again, or refresh right here, and then paste the link again that you just copied from the YouTube, and then basically continue to download the video on your YouTube. If that didn't work out, you could use other platforms to basically download the video. Another website, you could just go ahead right here and swipe left and then basically search for reverse video online. After you downloaded the video, just go ahead and online reverse the video, and then basically right here basically you could just go ahead to videos to GIF, or just resize and APG, rotate, crop, and you could just go ahead right here online video reverser and basically choose the file, and then they will reverse that video right away on the spot. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.